Open the wooden crate. Remove the machine and accessories. Insert the key into the keyhole. Remove the recovery tank. Connect the batteries. Tighten the screws. Put on the insulating sheath. Reinstall the recovery tank in its original position. Connect the vacuum hose. Take out the side bumper wheels from the user manual bag. Install the side bumper wheels. Install the brush plates. Adjust the position of the brush plate so that the brush plate pins align with the slots on the brush plate clamp. Tap on the brush button, and the brush plates will be installed automatically. Press the pedal, turn counterclockwise to remove the brush plate. Use the same method to install the pad driver and scrubbing pad. Install the squeegee assembly. Connect the suction hose to the squeegee assembly. Adjust the height and angle of the squeegee assembly. Start using the machine. Add an appropriate amount of defoamer to the recovery tank. Add an appropriate amount of clean water to the solution tank. Add an appropriate amount of detergent to the solution tank. Step on the pedal to lower the brush plate, and use the handle to lower the squeegee assembly. Tap on the brush button. Tap on the water button and vacuum button. Tap on the D button, the machine moves forward automatically. After finishing work, turn off the water valve. Remove the filter. Check the filter for foreign objects and clean it. Check and clean the overflow valve filter pad. Serious blockage will affect the effect of the suction motor. After use, remove the drain hose and discharge the sewage. Clean up the recovery tank after each use. Charging the machine. Connect the charger to the machine. Then connect the charger to the power outlets. Remove the charger after the machine is fully charged.